Welcome to WPForms. Would you like to export your form entries automatically? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to put your exports on autopilot. First, open your form in the builder. Head to Settings, then Entry Automation. Click Add New Task, and give it a name you'll recognize later. We'll call ours Weekly Catering Export. Then click OK. Now choose what this task actually does. Export Entries sends your entries out on a schedule. Delete Entries, that clears them out instead. We want the export, so let's pick Export Entries. See the file name? It's already set up with smart tags. Your form's name plus a timestamp. Honestly, that works for most sites. We'll leave it alone. Next up, file format. You've got CSV, Excel, JSON, or PDF. We'll stick with CSV. It opens anywhere. Now where should these exports go? Email is the default, but you can also send files to an FTP server, Dropbox, or Google Drive. We'll go with Google Drive. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, don't worry. Click Continue with Google, sign in, and WPForms walks you through the rest. Once you're connected, just choose your Google account from the dropdown. Then name your folder. Ours is Catering Exports. One more thing here. See increment file name? If a file with the same name already exists, this keeps every export. Nothing gets overwritten. Under Entry Information, pick the fields you want in the file. We'll grab these. Then set Export to New Entries since last export. Now each run only grabs what's new, so you'll never see a duplicate. Now for the fun part, the schedule. Pick a start date. Today works great. How often should it run? We'll pick days of the week and go with Monday. Set the time. 9 a.m. sounds good. Then hit save. And just like that, your task is live. The summary right here spells out the whole plan. And you're not limited to just one task. Add another, like clearing out old entries once they're exported. Your tasks run in order. Each one kicks off as soon as the last one wraps up. One more thing. Exit the builder and head to WPForms, then Tools. Open the Entry Automation tab. Every task on your site lives here. And check the last run column. It shows exactly when each task fired. If you ever need to pause everything on a form at once, just tick the Forms checkbox, choose Deactivate under Bulk Actions, and click Apply. And you're done! Your entries now export themselves every Monday without you lifting a finger. For FTP setup, Dropbox, and auto-delete tasks, visit the full guide at WPForms.com. And if this helped, give us a like and subscribe.